Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new series called JavaScript. So today we will cover about the JavaScript introductions. So first question comes in our mind, what is JavaScript? Why we use it and why it is so popular in nowadays. So JavaScript is a programming language of HTML and the web, and JavaScript is easy to learn. So why we use JavaScript? So JavaScript is one of the three languages of all web developers must learn. First one is HTML. HTML is define the content of web pages. Second one is CSS. CSS to specify the layout of web pages. Last but not the least, JavaScript to program the behavior of web pages. Like if you want to click on something and then it will happen something, that's kind of work JavaScript will do. Web pages are not the only place where JavaScript is used. Many desktop and server programs use JavaScript. Node.js is the best example of we know. Some database like MongoDB, CouchDB also uses JavaScript as their programming language. Did you know one thing is JavaScript and Java are completely different languages, both in concept and design. JavaScript was invented by Brendan Eich in 1995 and became an ECMAScript standard in 1997. ECMA 262 is the official name of the standard. ECMAScript is the official name of the language. Okay, so what JavaScript can do? Now we will study that thing. So JavaScript can do many few things like if you want to change any content of any HTML, then JavaScript can do. JavaScript can change HTML attribute values. JavaScript can change HTML style. JavaScript can hide HTML element and show HTML elements. So let's see with the help of examples. So firstly, we will see about this is basically code editor and this is the window. So firstly, we will talk about the JavaScript can change HTML content. So here we are writing JavaScript tutorial. Instead of this, what you want another thing using JavaScript. So for JavaScript, you just add a script tag here, only script tag. No need to add any jQuery link or whatever it is. So you just add a script tag here and write it down like document dot get element by ID. This is the basically this method is getting the ID of whatever you will mention here, like I'm mentioning demo. So this attribute is containing here in this. Okay, we want to change the content of this. So for that we are writing inner.html. Inner.html, what will this tag do is it will change the this text. Okay, so for now you can write anything here. You can write learn web technologies. Just save and then refresh. So instead of JavaScript tutorial, we write something else. Okay, you can write it anything, whatever you want. You want hello, just save and then refresh. Hello will come. Okay, instead of double quotes, you can use single quotes also. JavaScript will support both double quotes and single quotes. Nothing will change. We'll see. Okay, so this we already see this one key like attribute values changes with the help of JavaScript. Now we can see HTML source attribute changes. Suppose we have an image tag. In this, I'm mentioning some image 01.jpg. Okay, just save and then refresh. So one image is coming. Now what we want, if we click on button 1, then first image will show. If we will click on second button, then second image will show. For that, I'm adding ID of this particular image. Okay, and adding two buttons here. Button 1, button 1, copy and paste is button 2. Okay, here I'm adding on click. In this, I'm adding document dot get element by ID image dot src. src for changing the attribute. We are changing. We are this image is this ID and this source is this source. And in this source, we are changing this value. Button 1, in button 1 we want the same value, and in button 2 we want another value. Just copy this and paste it over there, and you can write image2.jpg. Okay, just save and then refresh. It's button 1 and when you click on button 2, another image is come. When you click on button 1, it's image 1 is coming. Okay, this is like changing the attribute with the help of JavaScript. Okay, now we can change style also with the help of JavaScript. If you want to change this at this element font size or any style, so what you will write, you can write document dot get element by ID is dem dot style. We are applying style and then font size equals to 50 px. Just save and then refresh. So this text is coming big. Okay, you can do any changes in style with the help of JavaScript. Okay, you can show or hide any content with the help of JavaScript. Suppose you want to hide this content with the help of JavaScript. For that, what you can write document.getElement by ID demo dot style dot display none. Just save and then refresh. So this text is gone. Okay, for displaying, you just comment this and then it will show. Okay, if we are writing like this style and display none, we are hiding this attribute h1. Okay, so why it's not hiding? We can go to the inspect element and you can check why it's not hiding. Okay, so I think style is taking 2 times that, so it's not adding this property. So you can write it here display none. Just save and then refresh. Now it's hiding this. You can just remove the save and then save. It's showing JavaScript tutorials. If we are adding with the help of CSS display none. Now we want to show this property with the help of JavaScript. For that, what you can write is display block. Okay. So what we already see today is like JavaScript can change any HTML content JavaScript can change HTML attribute values. JavaScript can change HTML style sheets. JavaScript can show or hide any HTML elements. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you guys for listening. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.